Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program that creates a tuple containing three favorite colors, for example, red, blue, and green, and print the first and last color from the tuple. Here, I am creating a tuple called favorite_colors. Then it has three elements, red, blue, and green. And I would like to print the first element and the last element. In order to access the first element, we can type down the name of the tuple and then the index of the first element, which is 0. And then in order to access the last element in the tuple, we type down the name of the tuple and then we type down the index -1 to access the last element in a tuple. So when I run this code, I see the first color is red and the last color is green. So if I have, for example, another color, for example, yellow, and if I have another color, white, for example, so when I run the code one more time, you see the first element is red and the last element is white. So white is the last element, and using -1, I'm accessing the last element in this tuple. If I want to print yellow, what can we do? I can either use indexing from left or right. If I use indexing from left, the red is 0, blue index is 1, then green is 2, yellow is 3, and white is 4. And if we want to index from right, we can access to white using -1, access to yellow using -2, then access to green using -3, and access to blue using -4, and access to red using -5 here. So if I type down -2, for example, I can print the yellow in the output. And also, if I type down 3, I am going to have yellow still in the output. Either 3 or -2, we are going to access the yellow in element here in this tuple. So in this, let me modify it to -1. So in this lecture, we learned how to create a tuple and how to access the first element and last element. And we reviewed how to index a tuple from left, starting from 0, and how to index a tuple from right, starting from -1. Thank you for watching.